Hey guys, how you going? I'm just going to go for a quick scoot on my Tello down at a reserve. Have a bit of play, drain some batteries. Just a quick bit of dribble. Thanks for your support and your subs, shares and likes and everything. It's pretty cool. I'll try and get back to everybody. If I don't stress, I will get to you and I will get to your channel. But, as you know, there's only 24 hours in a day, and every now and then I have to work, which I don't really like doing, but I can get to you guys when as soon as I can. So yeah, big thumbs up to you all. Thanks for checking out my channel. Thanks for giving me some advice and bits and pieces. So it's enough dribble. Let's go down and get this Tello up in the sky. High quality, mode 2, maximum angle of the dangle. Okay, it's there. Alright. Hello magpie. Okay, it's sort of windy, sort of isn't windy, so hopefully this will work out okay. As I said, I'm just going to do a bit of a speed test. I'll run up and back down here, to and from. We're going to see if it goes faster with these prop guards on. Roll and go. Whoa! Crikey! See that go. Okay, yeah, it is a bit windy here. The Tello doesn't mind the wind. Let's get low to the ground here so we're not affected quite so much by the wind. The wind is actually currently going pretty well that way. Okay, so I'm suspecting the run down here will be fast, but nonetheless comparative. Alright, okay, are we ready? Strong wireless interference. I know I don't have my Mi extender on, so I don't plan to go too far. Okay, it's rock and roll. Off we go. Run number 1. And it's completely slowed down to strong wind interference. It has wind interference and stuff. It tends to do its own thing a bit. Why are you doing this? Okay. Yeah, it's still on fast, however. Not really behaving fast, is it? Okay, let's see. Let's get the video going there. Right, off we go. And it does chop and change and jump around a bit, 6 meters per second. Okay, let's bring it back again. And we're off. Like I said, this is on fast, but certainly doesn't look very fast. 6 meters a second again. Not going too well. Probably should have done this test with my extender on, but anyway. Okay. No, really like the wind, so it's probably not a true accurate test, folks, I'm afraid, but yeah. Tello in the creek. Danger, open shafts. Let's go find some open shafts, shall we? What am I carrying this Tello? I want to throw and go. Throw. Let's go. I think I'll stick to the normal modes of slow flying, especially in here. Jupiter Creek, gold diggings, eh? Alright. I'll get some recording going here. See if the tello's good enough to record words with. Stay still enough. Right, while it's playing around there, and you guys are reading that, I'm just going to make sure we're sitting on the fast with the high, with the low bat, with the big bit rate. Okay, let's go find a shaft. Oh yeah, now it's super aggressive. It's funny, a minute ago it wasn't. Oh. I'm going to get caught up in there. Let's go find a shaft, shall we? More of a test of how you can go through scrub without crashing. Okay, not too sure where I am in here, but anyway, I might go up the sky a bit, do a bit of a roll around if we can get up through those trees over there. That was a good opening. I can saw myself a mine to fly into. Oh, this is going to be a bit dicey. Okay, up you go, Tello. I don't want to get it caught up there. Oh, that's a bit dodgy, wasn't it? Not too sure how I'm going to get it down again, but what are we sitting on there? 17, she'll go to 20. So hopefully, let's hope it can hold there. Okay, let's do a fly around, shall we? A 360. Oh, can't do it. Okay, too windy. So, what's happening here is it's deciding to do its own thing. It's too windy, so it's just sort of floating around by itself. Let's hope if it's let's see if I can bring it down through those trees there. Please don't hit that tree. There we go. Okay. Looks like it's landing by itself, so I'm just trying to bring it down without it crashing. Anything could happen here though, guys. No, a successful landing. Please don't do that again.